Disabling two-factor authentication on eBay can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and sign in with your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Access security settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security or Account Security section. Click on it to view your security options, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or button that allows you to disable it. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your eBay account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.